There, my friends. Dan G. Fox here, and hope you're having a Fox-tastic day. I wanted to thank you for stopping by my channel today. I really appreciate that. If this is your first time here, I'm sorry. You've been missing out on a lot of good stuff. So let's not have you miss out on anything else. Go ahead and click on the subscribe button right now, right down below. Click on it now. That way you'll make sure you get notified. If you click on the bell, you'll get notified whenever I put out a new video. And I try to put out a new video, a couple of times a week that have to do with helping you to make money online. So if you're searching for a way to level up your online game, if you're looking for a way to build a solid income stream, or just simply trying to get through the chaos of promoting your business, then you really want to stick around, because today I'm diving into the prosperity marketing system. And it's a tool that's really been around for some time. Since like 2009, and it's still helping people like you and me to get real results. So what's the value of this system and what makes it stand out? Well, let's break it down. First of all, what is the prosperity marketing system, or PMS for short? It's an all-in-one marketing platform, and it's designed to help affiliate marketers, network marketers, and even total beginners generate income while building their own business. Think of it as a ready-made funnel that you can customize to fit your own goals. And if you're not familiar with what a funnel is about, it's a way to promote your products and guide people to your system. And so this is a ready-made funnel to do that. And the best part is not just about making a quick buck. Okay, there's a lot of things out there we can make a quick buck here and there, but this is about creating long-term substantial income. So let's talk about it and why it's valuable, and some of the standout features and benefits. So in the wild world of digital marketing, having a system that does the heavy lifting for you really is a game changer. And PMS, Prosperity Marketing System, gives you a proven framework for that, because it's been refined for over a decade. Remember, I said back in 2009. So instead of spending a ton of time building your own sales funnel from scratch, or worse, chasing prospects who are interested, this system attracts the right people to you. It's like having a marketing system that works for you, 24/7, 365 days a year, and who doesn't want that? So I want to talk about some of the features. Now, let's get into some of the juicy stuff. First of all, you get 100% commission on your sales, or your paid referrals, I guess I should say. There's 100% commission. So when you promote the prosperity marketing system and they upgrade to a member, all right, that's just $12 a month, you keep every single penny of that sale. That's an instant cash flow right into your pocket. And for just $12 a month, you're not only getting access to the system, but you're earning, again, 100% of that $12 when others join under you. So all you need is really one paid referral, just one, and your monthly fee is paid for. And then after that, it's all gravy. Most systems you get into, you got to get several people before you can break even, and then you got to go from there. No, you just need one with Prosperity Marketing System. So this is a funded proposal that pays you while you grow and build your business. How cool is that, right? The second feature I want to talk about is the customizable back-end integration system. And this is where PMS shines, because you can plug in your own primary business, whether it's an MLM, an affiliate program, or something else you're passionate about. And if you get the owner add-on, which is a one-time fee, you can brand the system as your own and promote whatever you want. That means you're not stuck with someone else's offer. You're building your own empire, your own business empire with PMS as a foundation. Plus, you can earn, again, recurring monthly income from your referrals. I mean, it's like planting seeds for passive income. And the good thing is I mentioned about how you can use this system to promote your primary business. Maybe you're new. Maybe you don't have a business yet. That's okay, because it's already built into the system. We have multiple streams of income, like 15 or 16 different income streams that you can make money from. So you don't have to have another business, but if you do, this is going to help promote your primary business, your main business as well, is make money at the same time with the system. All right, and then the last feature I think I'm going to cover is the training and the tools. I mean, whether you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer, PMS really has your back. And if you are a network marketer building a team, you can build your own training into the system itself so that your team is getting proper training. All right. So, but aside from that, PMS comes with step-by-step training on things like building, list building, using splash pages. I mean, for you, some of you, these terms you may not even understand what these terms are. But these are things you need to have in order to be successful online. So it's provided within a PMS system. And the thing is, also, the whole set of things. If you're on our team, part of the training shows you how to get traffic, targeted traffic that zeroes in for you for what you're promoting. All right. And the cool thing is you don't have to be a tech wizard to figure all this out. I mean, it's very user friendly. And it's designed to get you started first. I mean, actually, all you got to do is plug in your information and you're good to go. Plus, almost forgot this. There's an inbuilt downline mailer that lets you email your team 5 levels deep. What does that mean? So let's say you refer John, and then John refers Sally, and Sally refers Susie, and Susie refers Sam, and Sam refers Phoenix. That's 5 levels down, okay? With the built-in system within there, you can email all those people 5 levels down, no matter how wide it is, but 5 levels down, with whatever message you want to put in there, whatever promotion you want to put in there, because it's your system, right? So it amplifies your reach without a whole lot of extra effort, okay? I mean, that's what makes it so nice, right? And here's a bonus benefit, too. It's very affordable and it's risk-free because you can try it out for 7 days. It is a 7-day free trial. I mean, that's a full week to explore the system, test the tools, and see if it's a fit for you. So you got nothing to lose, right? And then after that, it's just $12 a month to keep the ball rolling. And remember what I said is that all you need is one person that's a paid referral, and your $12 a month is paid for. In fact, during the free trial, you could actually refer people if they join and pay. You can make money during the free trial as well. All right. Compare that to other marketing tools that cost hundreds of dollars, and this becomes a no-brainer. So, are you in for this? I mean, if you're an affiliate marketer looking to boost your earnings, or a network marketer wanting to grow your downline, or even a beginner, okay, who's tired of all the complicated systems, PMS is built for you, all right? So it covers all areas. It's flexible enough for the pros and simple enough for the newcomers. I mean, the value lies in its ability to save you time, streamline your efforts, and create multiple income streams, all without breaking the bank, okay? And we know a lot of businesses make you spend a lot of money, you make no money. This one is just a little bitty amount of money, you're able to start making money, 100% commission right away. So here's the bottom line. The Prosperity Market System isn't just another shiny object. It's a proven practical tool that's been helping people succeed since 2009. And with the 100% customizable, 100% commission, customizable options, solid training, and low entry costs, it's a low risk opportunity that can really bring you some lucrative income in the long run. I mean, having a system, imagine having a system that's helping you to grow your list, that's promoting your business and pays you while you sleep. That's the kind of value that can really change the game for you. So, what do you think? Are you ready to check it out for yourself? If so, look down the description. I have a link below to the 7-day free trial. Go take a peek and see how it can work for you. And let me say this too. If you've used PMS before or have questions, you can drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. But also, if you used it before, our team has some very unique tools that other teams don't have. All right, and that's why people are coming aboard with our team, because we're providing resources and training and tools that you're not going to find anywhere else. All right, so click on the link below in the description. Take the 7-day free tour. A lot of people go ahead and upgrade before the 7 days even ends because they see the value in it, and that's what's important, is the value. Right? So hey, that's all I got for you today. Hopefully you got something from this. And if you did, I really would appreciate if you click on the like button. That really helps me out a lot, with the YouTube algorithms and that kind of stuff. And as I mentioned earlier, go ahead and comment. I love comments, good, bad, or indifferent. Whether you're in prosperity market system now, whether you're thinking about it, whether you've been in before, I love your comments. All right, good, bad, or indifferent. I will respond. Trust me, I will respond to it. And as I said at the very beginning of the video, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome aboard. I'm glad that you came to see us. And go ahead and click on that subscribe button now. All right, and click on that bell. That way you'll get notified when I put up my goodies. I put up good goodies a couple of times a week for you. All right, to help you make some money online. So that's it, my friends. I hope you have a foxtastic day, and I will see you in the next video.